FUCNTION electromechanical ultra-energy thin plate cold welding machine ADS03plus have both welding and cleaning functions at the same time. Panel introduction. Power on the machine. You can see the current adjustment knob and 4 parameter adjustment buttons. The machine has 3 welding modes. In continuous mode, press the torch switch to continue arcing. Press it again to stop arcing. Press the mode button to switch the welding mode. Only current can be adjusted in pull welding mode. Press the torch switch to continue arcing. Release it to stop. The interval time cannot be adjusted in the spot welding mode. The maximum cleaning current in cleaning mode is 50 ampere. In welding mode, the maximum current is 200 ampere. Access ground clamp. Welding gun installation. Connect to torch controller. Connect to the welding torch. Welding demonstration. Cleaning demonstration. Replace the welding gun with a cleaning brush. Press the black button to switch to cleaning mode. Dip the brush with cleaning fluid and wipe on the weld bit. After wiping, use a wet towel to clean up once.